बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, welcome back to my channel. This is all about ideas. Signing in, and I am going to share with you most beautiful and stunning stone pebble painting ideas. These are very amazing and very unique. Pebble stone ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these stone painting ideas. So viewers, I hope so you guys enjoyed these type of stone rock painting ideas. If you want different other craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So viewers, these are very pretty and very unique and super stunning pebble painting ideas. Follow for more details, and I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Always take care guys. Always be happy. These are very amazing and very unique pebble stone painting ideas. Always think positive, guys. Always be positive. Keep in your prayers. Enjoy your life and paint your rocks with these paintings. And follow my channel. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, guys.